Imagine we have a 10-minute delivery system where an hardware item is reached to your home with the help of drivers. How about you just sitting at a home and I am going to give you a delivery application. You just download that application onto your phone and you can place an order of whatever the items you need, may it be electrical, plumbing, sanitary, or any kind of machinery activities that are needed for your dream home to get built. Imagine a rider calling to you and picking up the items from your favorite hardware shop and delivering to you in next 10 to 15 minutes. That was the idea I was having, and we were working almost like 4 or 5 months on this project. Unfortunately, that project didn't went well, but whatever the repositories we have, whatever the project structures we have created, whatever the team I have formed along with one other co-founder, all those repositories are with me, and we were also doing all the deployments over that projects. In this particular span of this project, I have also reached to many of the co-founders, founders, letting them know that we are building such product in-house with a small team, but somehow this project didn't went well. But what I'm going to give you in this free Bootcamp 9 is that project itself. That project had multiple microservices and we were having the Android application. So Android as a front end and the backend services which are created in the Java Spring Boot framework will be given as part of the free Bootcamp 9. Imagine you are working on a real-time project where different kinds of microservices are interacting with each other, and you as a DevOps engineer have to create the CI/CD pipelines from the start to the end and deploy those microservices on the Kubernetes structure. Imagine you are going to give the monitoring for these applications. How does this sound? Let me know in the comment section. And yes, you heard it right. For the free Bootcamp 9, I'm going to give you all the projects that I have been building from the last couple of months. And because that didn't went well, and also like we were having some setbacks, that project is given to you as a free Bootcamp 9 classes. Now, welcome back. This is Praveen Singampalli and welcome back to the free DevOps Bootcamp 9. In this, you will solely get the projects that are being designed and developed in our organization. Here, I'm going to teach you for the next 30 days, starting from, you can consider like, let me check the date once. Starting from November 23rd, this projects will be rolled out. I'll be teaching live on my YouTube channel. And the first project itself is your CI/CD pipeline deployment of the real-time projects from the startup. Now, in this project, you are going to learn all the things that are needed for a project to work. What are the integrations that you do? What are the security measures you take? What are the deployment patterns you use? Along with that, I'm going to tell you in-depth things that are needed for your job hunt. Now, going on to the second project, starting from the 23rd of November, evening 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. this classes will be conducted, and you are always welcome to join these classes. And make sure to enroll in the link which is given in the description. And also you have to join the Telegram group for getting all these documents directly to your email ID, or directly you can download from the Telegram group. Along with this, you will also get various kinds of interview preparation materials, interview questions, interview patterns that are needed for a DevOps and SRE engineer to crack any kind of interviews. Now, this is the first project which you will be getting in the week 1, where the theory plus the project will be combinedly designed and developed and delivered to you by me on my channel. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you are very, very new, check out the playlist where I have done many these kind of bootcamps which can help you. Now, going on to the second project, you will get the ELK stack integration with these microservices. So this ELK stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana will be generating some dummy logs and will be pushing the logs onto the ELK stack, and you will be visualizing that stack things in the dashboard. Apart from this, you will be also getting a cluster overview on how a real-time organization sets up its ELK clusters together, so that the sharding is happening, the data is getting transferred between the shards and the clusters very dynamically, and how the partitions of the data points are happening in this particular project you will be able to see. The next project is multi-environment AWS infrastructure deployment. So every weekend the classes will be there. 23rd November, 24th November, then one more week. So Saturday and Sunday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. the classes will be there for you guys. Now the next project which I'm going to tell you is multi-environment AWS infrastructure using Terraform. So many a times you would have seen that infrastructure deployments we usually do like environment to environment or point A to point B. We just directly say like US West 2, you deploy, US West 1, you deploy. But here we'll be trying to deploy the entire Terraform code in multi-environments, which actually we do in the real-time organizations. So these all things will be onto your resume. Along with that, you will be learning so many things and interview questions also for all the things I'll be sharing you as and when we go ahead. Now the fourth project will be your CI/CD pipeline using the GitHub Actions. Now, many a times organizations are moving slowly towards the GitHub kind of culture where they are trying to attain the CI/CD pipelines with respect to the GitHub deployment architecture. So we'll be using CI/CD pipeline using the GitHub Actions, and here we are integrating the Argo CD, where we'll be deploying all our applications with the help of GitHub pipelines onto your Kubernetes clusters. Very, very beautiful projects. If you have liked the projects till now, make sure you are liking this video and share the channel link with your friends, so that your friends are also attending this free Bootcamp 9 and making sure they are ready for the job by 2024 and 2025 starting. Now, one more project for you guys, deployment on Kubernetes using different Kubernetes deployment strategies. As you are aware that the Kubernetes gives multiple deployment strategy patterns, let's say canary, blue, green, and different kinds of patterns are there in the manifest files. So this particular project, you will have various kinds of data points integrated in each factor. Now, every weekend you have to be with me, making sure that 2 hours you are spending with me. I'll be coming on to live, and those who are joining the Telegram group, make sure that you are joining that for sure to get all the documents and information related to this free Bootcamp 9 onto your resume projects. Whatever we are dealing with will be there on your project. Now, at the end of the 4th week, we'll be continuing with your resume reviews and mock interviews. Those who are interested, you can definitely check out and come to me and reach out to me on Telegram and make sure that your resume is getting reviewed by me. At the same time, you are also giving your name for the mock interviews. So whatever the projects you are seeing here, I'll be giving the roles and responsibilities for you. You can pick up that and put it on your resume, and we'll be creating a beautiful resume at the end of this 4 weeks. Now, this 30 days, you have to sit very comfortably, very calmly, and make sure that everything you are practicing with me, I'll be giving the proper roadmap, proper set of instructions. Monday to Friday, what you have to do, Saturday, Sunday, what you have to do, and again, Monday to Friday, what you have to do. Everything will be there starting from November 23rd. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tell me how the idea of the hardware application kind of thing you liked or not. Or if you have any startup ideas, make sure to comment in the comment section. I'll be definitely checking out all your comments. This is Praveen signing off from this video. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.